Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a mobile data limit on Samsung Galaxy M34. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then access the connection. Now we'll need to find the data usage. Here actually in the mobile data we can already adjust our limit, so there's billing cycle and data warning. We can go for start billing cycle on, and you can choose when does it reset. So we're gonna go for the first day of the month. Then we have set the data warning that you can activate or deactivate. When it's activated, you can choose when you will receive it. So we're gonna go with 2 GB of data used will receive the mobile data warning. Then there's set data limit itself, and then you can adjust the limit. You can change between megabytes and gigabytes, and keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. In this case, we're gonna go for 5 gigabytes, and here's our mobile data limit set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.